Hey guys, this is the second episode. Today we're going to look into 3 different tools on the little toolbar. It's called the measuring tool, the paint bucket, actually 4 items. Measuring tool, paint bucket, and this little word thing, hold on, let me just look at it, called text. I guess that's what it's called. I thought it was going to be something else. And then we're going to go into the SketchUp warehouse, which is also called Get Models. And that's what we're going to do for this episode. If this is the first video that you've seen of me, please subscribe and leave a like below. Also, don't forget to look at my last video. And leave a comment on how you liked it and if this was good for you. I will show you how to download it in the next video. In fact, I'll do it right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back. We are back where we left off on SketchUp, on our tutorial house. You can see we have a little something right here, just a little normal house. Also, I had told you about this little box that has an arrow going down. It looks like a little steps. It's right here, Get Models. And, yeah. My mistake. So what you're going to do first is you're going to zoom in onto your door frame. Gonna grab the pencil, and however tall you want, click and then go to the next side, then you'll make a line. Then you're gonna zoom out, go under. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention in the first episode, there's this little thing that helps you navigate around your object or things you're building. There's a pan tool that will move your face around or whatever. And then a zoom tool which will help you zoom in and out. The cool feature they did about this is also install it on your mouse scroller. To zoom in, you scroll up. To zoom out, you scroll back. And if you hold it, you'll be able to do that, the orbit one. And then if you hold it and shift, you get the pan, which I think is a cool feature. And you saw I never touched any of these, none of them. So you got zoom, orbit, and pan. Now, what you're going to do is select your select button and hold shift, and you get that little plus and minus button. Click all the bottom lines of the house, even that little side right here, because you're going to need it. And then you might not have it, so you're going to go to your tools button, and there's this one called follow me. You're going to click that. Zoom in onto the side of your door. As you can see, those blue lines disappeared. Now they're black. You're going to zoom in to that line, and you're going to click. Now you have stuff around your house, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah. And also, there's a little thing you can do for right here. You can get your draw, and then anywhere on the bottom you can do this. I'm going to do it right here. And you know how you can just go anywhere you want? I'm going to hover over this, and now it's parallel. See? Now I'm going to hover over this, and it's parallel and at that line under it. I'm going to click, then we're going to click on that. I'm going to hover over this, parallel, all the way to the bottom. There. Now we got our little line right here. We're going to get our push and pull. and push it in all the way to the line. And there. I just thought it would look neat. So today we're going to look at this other feature, the paint bucket, and the words, and I don't know, and this little tape measure tool. So first we're going to look at this little word button, and so let's click the door. Now you have like this little arrow and numbers. You're going to click anywhere else, and now you can type. I'm just doing this as an example. You can type anything you want. Then click anywhere again, and then you have a little line pointing to the door saying door. And it'll follow you and all that and stuff. And yeah. Now we're gonna go to the tape measure tool. First, let's go and start a new spot. And let's start a new spot. Pan over here, and we're gonna create a little wall, I think. Hold on. Let me do this. I've got this. There we go. Then we're gonna push and pull it up, and there. We're going to use the tape measure to create a cool wall design. So first we're going to get the tape measure, go out, and also if you see this little length thing right here, if you type anything, press backspace first. Let's do 50, then press enter. Then we got that. Now we're going to go to the other side, go this way, backspace, 50, enter. Then we got that. Got little guidelines. Now we're going to bring this down, backspace 20, press enter. Hold on. Actually, no, not 20. We're going to do, let's see what 40 is. Hold on, 40. Yeah, we're going to do 40, and we're going to do this, 50. Enter. Just because. Now we got these little lines everywhere. That's just guidelines. You can go to edit and delete them, but don't. We're going to need them for now. What we're going to do is going to grab that box tool, click on the edge, and go to the point right here. Gonna make a spots right here. So as you can see, I filled those up. Don't do anything here except for this to here. Then you're gonna do this to here, this to here, this to here, just to be safe. And then we're gonna grab the eraser tool and erase those two. Then you can also erase those two. Or let's just make a new one, just for, doesn't matter. We're not going to use them. You can click edit and delete guides, and it'll delete all of them. So now you've got this. It's just a box, or whatever. Now we're going to grab the push and pull, push this up a bit. As you can see, I pushed it up. We're going to grab the eraser and erase those lines and erase these lines. So that's how you use the tape measure. Now we're going to grab the push and pull again. We're going to keep this normal. We're going to push this up like about up to here. And then now we're going to click this, and we're going to go over and hover over the side of this. Now it'll be the exact same as that, as you can see. Now we're going to push and pull this out a little more further than that. And then we're going to push and pull this one the same thing as that. And it's just a kind of cool wall design that I thought of. That's how you use the tape measure for guidelines. Now we're going to go to the paint bucket. First you want to get rid of, I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this so it doesn't bother me. And we're going to go back to the house. What we're going to do with the paint bucket is we're going to make our house look beautiful. We're going to grab the paint bucket. And now you have tons of options. You can click the house button, click the down button, and click materials. Then you get a whole bunch of stuff. What we're going to do is brick and cladding. You'll find that around there. It's at the top. Then there's going to be cladding sliding tan. That's what this is. We're going to click that, and then we have the paint bucket. Let's click the house right there, 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 and there, and there. And yeah, now we've painted our house a bit. Now let's grab the white one and do it to these, because it just makes it look cool. I don't know about you, but you can find other ones if you want, and do it if you want. It doesn't really matter. Now we're going to go back, and we're going to look for roofing. ROOFING. Then we got all of these things that are usually found on roofs. My favorite is the roofing shingles GAFE states, because it just looks cool. And we're going to click all these, click that, and then click that. Then there you got your roof. There's also an inside on your house. All you have to do to look inside it is, if you want to, you can do this, but you don't have to. I'm going to hold shift, click the door, and inside of the window. Then I'm going to press the delete, and it's going to delete it. Now you can go inside your house. But careful, because it's easy to go right outside. Yeah, it's just easy. But I'm going to show you guys the inside. Yeah. Hold on. There. We've got the inside. Right here. As you can see, I'm just going right through the wall. It's hard to get in the house. And yeah, you've got your awesome looking house inside. Yeah. I think that'll be it for this episode, or whatever thing you want to use. Doesn't really matter. First, let's just look at the Get Models button. Let it load. Right here. It says 3D Warehouse at the top. And all right here. Tons of stuff. Lots of things. Let's search TREE. Then click search. You're going to get tons of trees. You can also name it specifically. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to look for something else. I'm going to look for a pool. I'm going to click search after typing it in. And then got a whole bunch of pools. Whole bunch. So much I don't even know which one to do. Oh, I just got an idea. Let's do water park. Search. Just an epic place. Just look for an epic place. Let's see. I don't know. Can't find one. Here, this looks cool. Let's click this. Download. Load this directly into. Yes. I've never done this actually before. And here we go. Now we have it. There we go. We can also rotate it. I want to somehow make it larger. Can we? No, we can't. But I just think that's kind of cool. Got a whole bunch of slides in there. Got an elevator in there. Got slides everywhere. Elevator again. Just looks epic. You can actually like zoom in to make it look like you're in it. I'm guessing this took forever. We also have the water slide. Yeah, just looks cool. Yeah, I kind of like it, actually. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.